Yo, peace and love, guys. Today we have a very special video today from UA Plug. They hooked your boy up again. But before I do all of that, gotta shout out all the supporters, old, new, existing, potentials. Love you guys. Cannot do this without you. Maybe I could, but I can't do this video without you guys or UA Plug. So shout out to both parties. We are just going to jump right in this one. The package, first of all, they packaged the package very nice. Like the bubble wrap and everything was on point. Like it was folded over like a Christmas present. Got that plug box. I'm not sure if the AJ1 Travises I got from these guys came in that type of box, but it's a dope box. Nice little touch. And this is probably not the original Dior box, but I don't even care because the shoe is so fire. It does not matter why, because we don't wear boxes or dust bags or any of that crap. We just wear the damn shoes. I hope you guys are wearing your shoes. So right off the bat, you can see my man Dan hooked it up with another discount code. I might give that away. Who knows? Beautiful. Some type, I don't know what material this is. It's almost like a leather, but they're beautiful insoles. Looks like some kind of factory data, how they do it left. I don't know, but most importantly, let's just pull them out. Look at that. As soon as I pulled these out, I was like, whoa. And keep in mind, I've never seen in person a Dior sneaker. Man, why they got that StockX tag on it? It don't matter. It don't matter. I know why they did it, but those I'll probably never put on. Those I'll probably never put in either. But, you know, come on now. You already know what it is. So, man, let's just look at the sneaker for a second. Like, I'm speechless. Like, this thing is a work of art. I wish I already had another pair, a triple pair. Like, I wish, but man, I'm at a loss for commentary here. Check this out. This is from Dior's website. They kind of explained it. I can't use too much of this footage for obvious reasons, but look at that. It's just amazing, man. There's so much meticulous work that they put into this sneaker from top to bottom. I go back and watch that Dior video too. It's very important. But man, look at that. I've seen a lot of Dior's and I've actually purposely stayed away from them. Look at that bottom. I stayed away from them because they just look so funky. Right when I got these, a company hit me up and said, hey, you want our Dior's? And I was looking at the Dior I had in my hand from UA Plug, and I was looking at their pictures, and I was like, nah, man. This is just, look at the stitching. They work their butts off to make these shoes perfect. I mean, I don't know if they're perfect, but for me, they're perfect. Am I going to wear them? Of course I'm going to wear them, because I got to do the video. Am I going to wear them after that? Yeah, that, oh my gosh. Come on, man. How? Like, that's amazing. Like, I actually want to walk on that. I don't even know what that's made out of, cork or something. I don't know, but let's look at another pair I got from another company, man, that I really do rock with, but this shoe I do not rock with. It is from Nailman Kicks. Check out Nailman's video. He did this about a couple months ago on that, whatever you want to call that Dior to the right. It doesn't match up at all. It's like a joke of the Dior almost. Like look at it. It's not even the same color. The swooshes, look at the swoosh, man. There we go. That's a work of art. Man, okay, look at the distance between the check. This is what I see a lot of companies across the board just getting wrong. That little point, and then that check goes along the back. Well, if I show it, that's the stitching not going through the check as well. Now, look how close that is. I can put my finger in that spot. The stitching goes through the check, and look how it goes to the back. It's like one big old check that just goes to the back. They didn't slim it down. The back, the bottoms. My bottoms will probably look like that. I ain't gonna lie, but just look how they got the Dior on there. You might have to go pause some of this stuff, but they put Miami on the insides. Not sure why they did that, but this thing is just beautiful, man. Let's go ahead and jump into the black lighting and see if we can find anything. So we got the good Dior here, and I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. I didn't find anything. There's a lot of ink on the sole, like that entire sole, if you can kind of see it, it's inked up entirely. And I don't know if that's a good or bad thing or not, but it is what it is. You can't see it at all. Look at the stitching is tight. A little something right there, but I don't even know or care what that is. But I couldn't find too many flaws on these things, man. Look at that. That's just remarkable. Look at those icy bottoms, man. Come on, man. That's the sickest iced out bottom I've seen since the original Jordan 11. And the inside, I don't know if there's anything to see there with the little Jumpman hiding out, but man. Okay. Well, look at the other shoe. That just looks, that alone, that could be a thumbnail, man. So let's go ahead and look at the other company's shoe. And I hate to do this. And by the way, this other shoe is the same company from the other shoe of the Travis Scott video. So that'll clue you in who made this pair. I hate to do you guys like that, but boy, this is just awful. Under the black light, it's, well, not under the black light, it's awful too. But boy, go check out Nailman Kick's video for real. He does a thorough breakdown and on feet and all that good stuff. He made them look good, but boy, these, it's almost like a kid threw this together as like a project in school. And they just gave him the materials that look like the materials, kind of. And he just threw it together. But these things are flawed from top to bottom. And I'm not trying to disparage the company. I'm just giving you a comparison. And that's it, guys. Let's just go ahead and get into the on feet, because I can't even look at this no more. Yo, what's going on, guys? Peace, and love. This is the third installment of this wall. I could probably get away with one more piece at this very end, so I might save it for another video. The third part of it, actually the fourth part of it, but 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Shoes are freaking amazing. This is like top 3. Like, this puts the Travis Scott ones maybe in the third place. Dior's, Unions, Travis's. Who did it? 12, man. Man, shout out UA Plug, man. Like, I love y'all, man. I ain't gonna lie, man. I love y'all. I love everybody else too. Even the company that made that other shoe that was very bad. I love y'all too. UA Plug. UA Plug, keep banging my line, man. We could do this, just me and you. You can't put a price on these, man. These were made by masters, legends, you know? And I'm not just saying that because they gave me a free shoe. A little bit. But I think that's it, y'all. I was probably going, oh, dang. I'm probably going to go ahead and get the drone up. I still got time. I got done a little quicker. I'm getting a little better at this. I'm getting a little better. Hit me up on IG. I'm almost caught up with the videos, but this one had to get done. Man, I'm probably creasing the crap out of these shoes. All right, y'all, peace and love. Let's go up in the air real quick.